At AT&T, we understand the big difference between being always connected and usually connected. That's why we strive to bring the strongest cellular signal to every one of our customers. Unfortunately, even today's most robust 5G is sometimes no match for geographical features, and especially signal-blocking materials like aluminum, cement, and tempered glass. The good news is, even though many homes and most businesses are made of these signal-blocking materials, there are still ways for you, your employees, and your customers to stay connected. Here are 4 practical tips for how to make the most of cellular connectivity at work. Number 1. Create a cellular signal map of your office or workspace. Not only does this keep your employees and customers from having to go on a wild goose chase for a signal, knowing where both your dead spots and strongest signals are will allow you to optimize workplace functionality around your connectivity. From the placement of security cameras and workstations to where you might want to locate a signal boosting device, creating a good signal map is a practical place to start. Tip number 2. Reduce network traffic by balancing your broadband Wi-Fi with 5G cellular. Though 5G and broadband Wi-Fi are often thought of as similar flavors of connectivity, they actually have quite different strengths. In addition to being a great way to instantly make and receive calls, 5G is truly revolutionizing business with its end-to-end security and ability to support mission-critical applications across large coverage areas. However, Wi-Fi generated by AT&T Business Fiber is still an excellent solution for general-purpose in-building connectivity. Everything from video calls and emails to printing. With this in mind, optimizing how you balance Wi-Fi and cellular at your unique site will likely help you reduce network traffic and improve your overall experience. This takes us to tip number 3. Consider boosting your 5G signal. And when we say boost, we are not talking about simply extending the existing signal from your router. Through AT&T's 5G Cell Booster Pro, you can have your own always connected workplace mini cell tower. Not only does this give you control of your connectivity, it creates a strong enough signal to cover 15,000 square feet of workspace. Need even more signal? Well, our 4th tip is to put in place a business-grade solution that matches your specific connectivity needs. From small cell base stations to DAS cellular systems, AT&T collaborates with cutting-edge technology partners to bring our customers the most powerful and efficient connectivity solutions available. In short, whether you're just tired of dropped calls, or if you need to stay always connected to run a factory floor of IoT devices, AT&T is here to help you take control of your workplace connectivity. Contact us today to discuss your connectivity needs.